Vocabulary: farm animals. Are you ready? Come on, today, farm animals. I say, you repeat. Cow, sheep, duck, donkey, goat, chicken, pig, horse. Well done! Excellent! Listen. What is it? Yes, it's a pig. What is it? Yes, it's a duck. What is it? Yes, it's a cow. Listen. It's a donkey. Listen. Yes, it's a sheep. Listen. Yes, it's a chicken. Excellent job, children. Fantastic. See you in some other video. Give me a like. Subscribe my channel. Bye bye.